Namaste students, let us read a question of mathematics standard class 10 question paper. A man on a cliff observes a board at an angle of depression of 30 degree which is approaching the shore to the point immediately beneath the observer with a uniform speed. 6 minutes later, the angle of depression of the board is found to be 60 degree. Find the time taken by the board from here to reach the shore. Let the speed be x km per hour, let the time be t. Now this is the figure. You can see the figure is triangular ACD, where the angle of depression is 60 degree, and from that point the angle of depression is 30 degree also. 30 degree at point AB and 60 degree at point AC. So when I take speed equal distance by time, BC is equal to speed into time, that is x into 6. BC is equal to 6x. Okay, BC will be equal to 6x by the formula of speed equal distance by time. Similarly for CD it will be xt. Okay, so 1030 by here you can find 1030 is equal to permanently flat, that is perpendicular by base, xt by h. 1 by root 3 is equal to xt by h is equal to root 3 x. In triangle ABC, 1060 is equal to x 6 plus t by h is equal to x 6 plus t by root 3. So you can see here for 1030 and 1060 we have got two relation of h in terms of t. So let us compare 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Root 3 xt is equal to x 6 plus t root 3. So root 3 will be thrice xt and x 6 plus t. So thrice xt will be equal to 6x plus tx, isn't it? So here it will be what? The like terms will be tx and tx. It will be twice xt equal to 6x. So it will be t equal to 6x by twice x. X cancel. So t will be equal to 3 seconds. Okay, so students, I hope you have understood the question. If you have not understood, you can pause and rewind the whole question, and that's really important question from mathematics standard chapter trigonometry height and distance. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.